Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use green screen on CapCut. Okay, so come to your CapCut. Okay, so when you come to your CapCut application, this is how it will look like from the home page. So come to new project over here. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we are going to import the background video. Okay, so this is my background video. I add it. Okay, so after adding my background video, as you can see, this is my background video. Okay, so I'm going to import another video with a green screen behind it. Okay, so I come to the overlay over here. Okay, it's going to be an overlay with a green screen behind it. Okay, so I come to overlay here, then I come to add overlay. Okay, add overlay. So when I come to add overlay, I'll select this video here because it's a video with a green screen, the third one here. Okay, so I'll come and tap on add. Okay, so what I want to do is to make this video cover this background. Okay, so I'll just enlarge it like this. Okay, so that it's full. Okay, so after that, I'll make sure that this video fits with the background video. So I'll reduce it a bit from here, reduce it up to there. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is simple. Come and tap on this video here. Okay, as you can see it down here. So I tap on it. When I tap on it, I'll have options here. As you can see, there's the options here. So scroll this side. So when you scroll, come to cutout here. Then come to chroma key over here, third option. Okay, then when you come to chroma key, what you want to do is to move this chroma key here. Okay, as you can see, I'm moving it. So move it and put it in the green screen here. Then let go. Okay, so after that, come and tap on intensity here. Okay, then increase the intensity up to 22. Okay, so when you're done, come and tap on this tick over here. Okay, so I think our video is ready. As you can see, I've used the green screen on CapCut and the video is playing in that way. Okay, so as you can see, that's how you can use a green screen on CapCut to edit videos. Okay, so when you're done with that, all you have to do is to just come and save your video. You just come to this arrow pointing up, then save your video and you'll find it in your gallery. Okay, so thank you for watching.